Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have some stuff that I picked up, or not that I picked up, that I ordered from Macy's, and then I also ordered some candles and just some candles from Bath and Body Works. So it's a random haul. I just wanted to come and share with you guys what I picked up, and stay tuned to the end of the video because I have something that I am going to give away, but I'll explain that at the end of the video. So let's jump into this haul. So in a previous video, I had got sent a box, and in that box from Boss and Bay was this candle, and I talked to you guys about this candle. It was called, I showed it in my favorites video. It was the Stay Lit candle that I said smelled amazing, and I did talk about that in a different video. I'll link it at the end of this one just in case you missed it. But it's this Stay Lit candle, and you guys, I had to have it. I had to have another one, and I mentioned it, and I was so grateful that the company contacted me and asked me if I wanted to receive a bigger one, because the first one that I got was a little small. And I'm telling you guys, this is, oh my god, I am in love with this candle. And I love that it comes in this like old soup can. It is, you know, they made sure it was clean and nice and everything. It's recycled, but see how the top, you pop it open like it's a soup can. But I'm telling you, and this is sacral, is creativity, emotions, relationships, expressions of sexuality. This is a very sensual candle. It smells good. Everything that I am going to mention, I will put down in the description box in case you missed that video and you want to get you one of these. It will be down in the description box. So again, thank you to the company for sending me this, because it is amazing. How many times did I say that? And I cannot wait to crack this open and burn it. The two things that I picked up from Walmart, one of them was this cup. You guys know, if you've been following me on Instagram, I've been showing pretty much every morning, unless I forget, my cup collection. I'll show you guys the cup that I'm using for the day. So I did have to include this cute little cup, and I think they had these last year at Walmart, but I didn't pick this one up. I think I picked up a different one. So yeah, I picked up the cute little fox that's wearing a scarf, and he is just super adorable. It says it is hand painted, and if I can't, let me see, I think if I can remember, this was only like $3, 2 something or something like that. It wasn't expensive, so I did pick that up. And then the only other thing that I got from Walmart, which is one of the places that I like to get my graphic tees out of the men's section, because you guys always see me in graphic tees like when I'm out vlogging and stuff. So I did have to get this one. In one of my previous videos, I had on a Super Mario Brothers shirt, and everywhere I went, people was like, ooh, where'd you get that shirt? Where'd you get that shirt? And I'm like, Walmart. So I had to get my Pac-Man. Oh my gosh, I am a 70s baby, and I love retro stuff. I love stuff from my childhood, so I had to get the Pac-Man. It is in black and blue. It kind of looks like tie-dye a little bit. And what I really like about it, there's the picture, but what I really like is on this sleeve, it has all the ghosts and Pac-Man going down it. So this is just super cute. I love it, and I know somebody will probably ask me in an upcoming video, where'd you get that shirt? I got it from Walmart, and these are not that expensive. I think I only paid like $6, $6.89 or something like that. But I love printed tees, so that's where I got this one from. Okay, so now we're going to jump into Bath and Body Works. I only picked up, or I only ordered 4 candles. 2 of them are duplicates, which is these 2 right here. And it is amazing. It is pumpkin peanut brittle. So I got 2 duplicates, and the fragrance notes are crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, and toasted pumpkin seeds. And you guys, these smell so good. I had to get 2 of them. The next candle I got was pumpkin cupcake. The graphics on this one is just super cute. I love that. It is really cute. I just have some cupcakes with the gold foil on it, and the notes on this one is whipped buttercream, Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, and freshly baked cupcake. and it just smells really, really good. I really gravitate towards candles that smell sweet. I'm not a floral scent type person, so I never get the ones that smell like floral. It either has to be like a sweet smell or relaxing. Those are the ones that I gravitate towards. And I only get Bath & Body Works candles when they are on sale, and if I'm not mistaken, these were like 10, or was they 12, and then I had the 10 off 30 or something like that. But I will never pay full price for Bath & Body Works, so I'll wait for the sales. That's how that's how I ended up with these 4. And then the last candle I got was Harvest Gathering, which is this one. The picture on that one is super cute. I love that with the fox on it. And the notes on this one is fresh picked apples, autumn berries, and clove buds. So it smells so good. Oh, this one, ooh. You can smell the apple in that one. It smells amazing. So those were the 4 that I got. That was kind of gearing me towards fall. I was gonna say this was like a fall haul, but it's not really. So but those were the 4 candles that I picked. Okay, so now we're gonna get into Macy's. I did order a sweatshirt. It's right here. It's still packaged up. I know I got it on sale. I cannot remember the price of it, but it is by Love Tribe. I did get it in a 2X, and ooh, whoa, it's kind of big, kind of really big. And it says nope on the front. On down the sleeve it says not, and on down the other sleeve it says not today. I think I have a picture that I'll put up, but it says nope, not today. It's really, really cute. I did get a 2X. I don't know, it looks a little big, but it's okay if it fits a little baggy. I like my shirts, especially when I'm dressing casual, like my graphic tees or my sweatshirts and my jackets and stuff. I like my stuff to fit kind of baggy, so it kind of falls over my jeans, and you know, I just like that look. So even if it is a little too big, it's okay. I just thought this was super cute, and they were having a really good sale on their website, and then plus I had some rewards coupons or whatever, so I got good deals for these items that I picked up. So this next item is what caused my whole Macy's order, and I am super excited by it. I went ahead and I purchased the Cats by Kate Spade. I have been looking at these for a while. I love the box. I love the box. I love that green. I love the gold. And you know, I was looking at these in the past, and I never ordered them, or I never purchased them. And you know, just because, you know, she has passed away, I felt like, let me just go on and get the shoe, because I love sneakers. Oh, I'm holding this, and I don't, it's gonna blind you guys, but I'm holding this and I'm like, oh my goodness. So are you ready for this? Tell me this shoe, and it's for a person that likes bling. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Oh, I've been wanting these. They have the silver ones too, but I had to get the blue because the blue just is the blue. It's royal blue. It has the Kate Spade thing down the back. I'm sure many of you have seen these. It says Cats right here. On the tongue it says Kate Spade, New York right there. But tell me these are just not the prettiest blue ever. Oh my goodness. I love these. I love these. And so I've actually seen people and I've seen people wear the silver ones like in their wedding. I've seen the silver ones be worn to like prom or whatever, and I haven't really seen too many people wearing the blue, and this blue is just, ugh, it's just beautiful. So I had to get these. I had to. And like I said, they will be linked down. Everything will be down below if you are interested. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I can just sit here and stare at them. There's like no fallout or anything. It's not like that. So they're super glittery, but oh my gosh, like, can you tell I love these shoes? I love them. Okay, so let me show you the last item. Okay, and for the last item of this haul, I purchased 2 of the Gingerbread Too Faced Spice palette. The Gingerbread Spice palette. 2 of them by Too Faced, and of course one of them is gonna be for you. So I will be giving away this palette. I have mine, but I will be giving away the extra palette on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on Instagram. I will have a set of rules over there in case you are interested in this, so make sure you're over there to see what you need to do to win this. And I know you will love this. I was contemplating, I'm going to open it as I talk. I was contemplating on getting this when it first came out, and I know I spoke about it in one of my other videos, and I was torn on if I should get it. Oh, I was torn. It smells so good. I was torn on if I should get it because I fall into Too Faced products because of the packaging. Their packaging is just simply adorable. It's so cute. The smells of it, I just love it. So when I seen it before it launched, I could not decide if I wanted to get it. And if you look, the colors are just beautiful. They are so pretty. There's different ranges of colors, the sparkle, the matte, just everything. But I was watching another YouTuber that I really like to watch when I'm considering buying makeup, and I'm gonna give her a shout out. Her name is Kelsey Brianna J. I'm gonna link her down below if you guys go visit her channel to see if you're interested in makeup. Let her know that you came from my channel, because I think she is amazing. She does awesome makeup tutorials. Yeah, so she's gorgeous. I love the way she does her makeup. So remember, if you go over there, check the link below, let her know that you came from my channel. And yeah, so that is why I purchased this, because she gave it the thumbs up, and I was like, do I need any more colors like this? Apparently I do. And I think one of you do too. So this is going in a giveaway on Instagram. So make sure you follow me over there. I'll put my Instagram down below as well, and follow the rules that'll be over there. So that is it, you guys, for my random haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys share. Make sure when you watch your YouTubers that you go to, make sure you share their videos. That would help us a lot. So with that being said, have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.